Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have this automatic ultrasonic bar controller, and this is actually meant to send out a signal to stop dogs from barking. And I bought this because the dog of my neighbor is really annoying, and yeah, I thought I might just give it a try. I can't tell you if it is actually working. It seems like it's working, I can tell you that. And you just turn it on and you crank that up, and then that's all there is to it, to be fair. Mm, you can see that it's on when it's loading or blinking up there, and then you put it on different sounds. You don't hear it, it's just way too high of a pitch, but I have a feeling it is doing its job. Um, I can't prove it scientifically, but in my opinion it works. My neighbor's dog is way quieter every time he starts. I just crank that up, and then after 1-2 minutes it just stops. And that's pretty much what's happening here. And yeah, let's see each other, and I will see you around.